with team. They called themselves the Around the World team. They were all from different nationalities, but we were in the international station. I've had teams before where they didn't have any idea, so I kind of helped them out with that. But this team had a pretty clear path that they wanted to go on, so I didn't really help them at all. Just gave them some guidance where they needed it.
Our team name is Around the World, so we wanted something because each person is from another country, so we wanted kind of like have like an international spice to what we made. So I made something from the U.S., which is sweet potato cookies. One of the guys from Japan made a traditional Japanese dish with fried pork, and then my girlfriend, who's actually one of the contestants on our team, she made something that's traditional to her. She made potato bites from her country. So it was each from different country. We want to add like some, international spice, I guess.
And your 2016 champions, 3 points separated them. Apple Babies.
Very excited and also very surprised because we were just kind of doing this for fun and we loved it and it turned out amazing.
We just kind of put this together at the last minute. We really weren't even sure if this was going to fall through or if we were going to actually have a team, and we ended up winning. So.
Yeah. I think that the judges liked that all of our dishes were very different. We started out with a fried dish for an appetizer. Then we went to a very light entree. It was an Italian potato pizza. And then we finished off with a blue potato truffle.
Really is good.